Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Barnes & Noble affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Barnes & Noble affiliate program. After typing in this, hit enter and you will see some search results. So navigate to this site that will say www.barnesandnoble.com/h/affiliates. So click on this link that will say affiliate program Barnes and Noble and you will be promoted to this page. So this page is going to show you some information regarding Barnes and Noble affiliate program. In the first para, it will show you why partner with bn.com. In the second para, it will show you how to join the Barnes and Noble affiliate program. So it says, we partner with CJ Affiliate to provide our publishers with trusted third-party tracking, real-time reporting and monthly commission checks. If you're not already a CJ publisher, please sign up here. So Barnes & Noble is associated with CJ Affiliate. To sign up, you will have to click on this button that says sign up here. So this is a link. After the text please, you will see a link. Click on sign up here and a new page is going to open on your PC. On this page, you will have to choose your language, choose your country, type in your email, create a password, confirm your password, select I'm not a robot, complete the verification CAPTCHA, click on verify and select verify email. After you click on verify email, CJ Publisher will send a message to your Gmail account. You will have to click on that link in your email and click on create my CJ Publisher account. So now, we are going to open our Gmail account. So open Gmail account in new tab, click on the CJ affiliate message and click on create my CJ publisher account. After you click on this account, you will see a new page opening up. On this page, click on both of these checks. After you select them, click on read the publisher service agreement. So make sure you click on this link because if you don't click on it, you won't be able to accept this agreement. So click on this link and click on accept agreement. Click on this link. Now choose accept agreement. So when you are going to click on these links, the accept agreement button will open up. Now all these agreements have been accepted. Click on continue to account. After you click on continue to account, here you'll have to enter your Gmail account. Click on continue. Here you'll have to enter your Gmail address. Click on continue and enter your password that you just created. Now click on continue. After that, you will be successfully logged into your CJ affiliate network. Click on get started. You have to enter your user information by clicking on this add user information button. You'll have to complete your profile, add promotional property, accept the terms, submit forms, add payment information and after that click on activate account. And after activating your account, you will be successfully logged into your CJ publishing account. Here you're going to click on the partners option at the top. Click on find advertisers. Now select the advertisers column and type in Barnes and Noble. After you type in Barnes and Noble, hit enter and you will see Barnes and Noble opening up. Now click on the search option and you will see Barnes and Noble opening up. Here you'll have to click on apply to program button just after it, and I haven't activated my account, that's why I'm seeing this message, but after you would have successfully added all the information of your account on this page, you can click on apply to program and join Barnes & Noble affiliate program. So that's how you can join Barnes & Noble affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.